Hi everyone, my name is Mandy Berger. This is my reflection of Module 4, our assignment on KESA. The first question is your building district a model institution, or are you just in the beginning, with a brief analysis of the 5 R's of the framework. This is our actual second year in the KESA process. However, I would say that we're still in the beginning steps. We did have a goal set, but we decided it was too broad, so we did change our goal to narrow it down. Hence why I feel like we're still in the beginning. We are making huge strides, but still a lot of work ahead. To start with, the first R, relationships. I do feel like we do a good job collaborating with others, students, staff, our stakeholders. We do have what's called a site council, where there's a group of parents that are picked at the beginning of the year to sit on. We talk about all different situations and issues that arise at the school. Students are on the council. It happens once a month before our school board meeting, and then those issues are taken to the school board. We have monthly staff meetings where we go around the room and every staff member has an opportunity to talk about what's going on or any issues they are facing. We have a web page that's updated daily. We even have PowerSchool that gives parents instant access to the students' assignments and their grades, which is great. The second R, relevance. We are always striving to improve. We have been focusing on curriculum mapping all the way from the 12th grade on down to kindergarten to make sure all the teachers are on kind of line where they need to be and that we're preparing them for the next grade ahead. We have 1-to-1 student ratio of students to computers. We are in the process of getting some whiteboards, so that's exciting. As far as responsive culture goes, we bring in lots of different groups of our community in to help with certain things. Early childhood, we have 3-year-old and 4-year-old preschool. We also went to all-day kindergarten this year, which was new for us and huge. We just adopted the program CHAMPS at both the grade school and our high school, which we just did it, and school's almost over, so I'm interested to see how that will affect us for next year. We've also adopted a wellness committee with students and staff on it to help that nutrition and wellness aspect. The rigor part of the 5R, we have quite a few pathways in our school to help students go past high school. We have a shop pathway, a welding pathway, we have ag pathways, we have FACS and culinary pathways. We also offer all sorts of college credit for kids to get to help them along their way, which is great. The principal and administration is really great about pushing us teachers to take any kind of continuing education that we want. The school's great about reimbursing us. Lastly, R for results. As far as the social emotional factor goes, we are hiring a second full-time school counselor, which is great. It's something with this day and age, sadly, with depression on the rise and suicides on the rise, something I think all schools and administration needs to be aware of. Once again, we have 3- and 4-year-old preschool. High school graduation, we're at 100%. That post-secondary completion attendance is kind of hard to put a rate on because so many of our students are going to more along the lines of VOTEC, and that's not really in with the state data on that post-secondary. When the next question is, what is your principal's leadership style? When I talk to him, he's like, you just need to keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it easy. People then will want to accomplish it. They can accomplish it in a timely manner, and staff are more likely to get involved. And he's like, it's all about staff involvement, because if they're involved, it means they believe in your vision and they want to see it through. And then he's like, you got to provide your staff to be successful, the resources to be successful, which he's true. If we want people to succeed, we have to provide them with those tools to succeed. And lastly, areas for improvement for us would have to be budget, which I think is everyone. The lack of funding is huge to provide those resources. And we're short staff, so that funding would help with our staff issues, which I'm sure a lot of other schools have. So there you have it. There's my reflection of Module 4, the KISA process.